Listening to customers is important. Likewise, the network supplying safe, clean water and a dependable sewer network taking used water away. It may not be the beautiful sounds of an orchestra, however the benefits for customers, the community and commuters are applaudable. Asset management and operations are changing. Data analysis is increasingly intensive, as are the tools used to collect it. Efficiency is critical. SA Water established the Adelaide CBD Smart Water Network in 2017. It has been operational since July of that year. There are currently more than 300 acoustic loggers active across the network. These acoustic loggers cover up to 150 metres of main, concentrating on high-risk areas and on high-risk mains. From the samples sent from the loggers, we decipher the environmental noise. This is significant and ongoing and includes multiple forms such as traffic, mechanical and electrical transmissions. Amongst ongoing environmental noise, we have learnt to identify patterns and features associated with faults. We can identify the sound of a cracked pipe, leaking valves and leaking water meters. Our acoustic loggers enable us to identify two primary forms of cracks in our mains, circumferential and longitudinal. Typical circumferential cracks have a significant initial magnitude which remains relatively stable until repaired, while longitudinal cracks have a small initial magnitude which increases in an unstable manner until repair. The accuracy in locating a crack is between 10 and 50 metres depending on the relative position of the crack and nearest acoustic logger. We have a two-person leak finding team who are trained to undertake precise fault localisation using portable correlators, ground microphones and listening sticks as well as service location equipment. From our smart network sensors, we receive between 3,000 to 3,500 alerts a week, which are reduced both automatically and manually by the Smart Water Network's analytics. We act on this information by proactively repairing identified faults. Proactive repairs are completed with less cost, less customer disruption, and are less intrusive for the community and city commuters than reactive repairs. From July 2017 to March 2019, we proactively repaired 40 faults and a further 36 reactively within Adelaide CBD. More than half of all repairs were completed while the city slept. The Smart Network has since been expanded to 6 further locations across South Australia and now includes sewer monitoring, odour and drinking water. Looking into the future, we will extend the range of coverage from each sensor and gain more accurate alerts in terms of leak location and fault type. We also hope to issue alerts as near to real time as possible by identifying and filtering and separating environmental noise. Listening to the network may not be an orchestral delight, but is certainly rewarding and delivering for our customers.